好，咁嚟到41到45啦。咁呢套Good X 同埋 Good Y，咁佢本身俾你嘅係 man hour，即係 resources 啦。咁如果 resources 我成日都講啦，就自己除人哋，你就會計到個 opportunity cost。咁點樣自己除人哋啊？你呢度 A、B 啊，咁呢度就係計 X 得啦，因為你下邊答案全部都係一 X 咧，叫做 Y。咁你自己除人哋咧，我呢度俾翻 X，俾翻 Y 嘅。OK，自己除人哋意思即係10除25同埋5除15，你就會揾到佢做 X 嘅相應嘅 opportunity cost。咁第一個10除25咧，應該你會計到0.4。OK，咁呢度0.4就係個 Y 嚟嘅，記得俾埋個單位佢。咁跟住然後5除15咧0.33Y。咁所以我哋見到就係話個 country B 咧，佢會 produce X 同埋 export X。咁然後A 就理所當然啦，import X 就可以啦。咁嗰個 mutually beneficial 就要 between 0.33到0.4啦。咁下邊第一個係 fulfill 到呢個要求啊，咁所以就得 A，咁所以好簡單。咁但係呢個都係得60%到人啱啊，唔自己留意下。咁跟住然後到42都係問緊你 international trade，咁就問你South Korea won 咧，即係啲韓元咧就跌啦對美元，咁即係對港幣都跌啦，咁所以港幣貴咗啦，簡單啲講。咁跟住然後佢就問下邊一個咧會 be the result，咁佢就話 the volume of import good from 南韓 to Hong Kong 就會提升，咁呢個啱啦，因為你港紙貴咗，韓平咗，你買嗰啲嘢平咗，你當日英咁樣睇就得咯。日英狂跌，啲人就去晒日本玩，咁一咧啱。咁跟住然後 the price of exported good from Hong Kong to South Korea，佢就唔同你平時講嗰樣嘢，咩意思咧？咩出口用本幣或者用外幣咁樣，佢就話出口用由香港 to South Korea in terms of Hong Kong dollar。咁呢個你只要小心咧，我成日都話你唔需要慢慢去背嗰啲出口本幣成㗎啦。佢今次咧係同你用HKD，咁然後再睇 HK 嘅出口。OK，你睇一樣嘢就可以啊，就係講緊咧呢條 demand 究竟係邊個嚟嘅？OK，demand 呢家咧你係去緊韓仔嗰度咧，咁所以個 demand 嗰啲人全部係韓仔。咁你港幣升值咧，其實你本身嘅價錢冇變。咁但係個問題就係話，佢依家嗰啲韓幣咧，佢要多咗先至可以換到同一樣嘅港幣。咁就算你價錢冇變啦，佢應該係每一個價錢都會少咗呢個 quantity demand，因為你貴咗嘛。OK，咁所以咧成嚿咁樣跌咗落去咧，你加埋個 supply 俾佢啦，其實你呢度咧應該就係跌價錢。OK。咁所以咧，the price of exported good from Hong Kong to South Korea in terms of Hong Kong dollar would increase 咧就唔啱啦，佢係會跌價啊最終。OK，咁跟手，然後再到咧，the number of tourists from 韓國 to Hong Kong will decrease。咁呢個咧絕對正確嘅，因為你港幣貴咗，我哋話食籠燒賣以前30蚊，而家60蚊，咁就唔嚟啦。咁所以咧答案 boy。咁43咧，佢就問邊個會 include in the calculation of Hong Kong 嘅current account。咁 current account 本身咁可能有 visible trade、invisible trade、net current transfer、net income 同埋 book。OK，咁如果下邊嗰堆咧，應該就係考緊你 visible trade、invisible trade 啦。咁 A 咧，佢話買樓啦，買樓咧，你其實都唔使討論邊個買邊個啦，因為買樓咧係 capital and financial expenditure account，咁買股票亦都係啦，咁所以呢啲係咁再見下。咁跟住然後到 C 咧，佢就係 mainland resident buy and add ticket to Hong Kong from a mainland airline。咁呢個咧係一個 mainland RPU 賣嘢俾一個 mainland 嘅客戶。咁其實呢個就計晒喺內地嘅 GDP，亦都唔影響香港嘅 export import of service 嘅其實。咁所以咧，亦都係純粹陰下嚟嘅啫。咁跟住然後到最尾一個，我哋都要 verify 啦。咁就係話 Hong Kong resident 買咗個 life insurance policy from mainland insurance company。咁呢個咧的而且確，我哋向外地嘅 公司去買 service，咁呢個係一個 import of service 就會喺我哋個 current account 度減走，咁所以佢係絕對計喺個 calculation 裏邊嘅。OK，所以答案讀。跟住然後到44啦，呢個亦都係我成日講嘅垂直計嘅 international trade 啦。咁無論係43同埋44都係6成人錯啊，呢個自己要小心啊。咁啊，頭先嗰條都係啊。咁呢度好簡單，就係話佢有 comparative advantage，全部都升 up 吧應該，因為你見佢唔做啊，完全唔做 petroleum。咁呢度咧，佢如果佢自己去做嘅話咧，佢就減咗60啦，減咗60p，但係佢可以 manage 到咧做多120嘅 R。咁所以換句話説啦，佢自己有個 opportunity cost 1p，OK 就等於2個 R，OK。或者你用調翻轉嚟講咧，就1R 等於0.5個 P，呢個係 country A 的 opportunity cost，P 唔係 A，OK。咁跟手，然後再到佢個 international term of trade 就係呢度加翻90啦，你見佢，因為由0到90啦，加完90之後咧，呢度減咗90。所以個 term of trade 咧，其實就係1:1，1p 等於1R。咁你有齊晒呢啲 information 之後咧，你其實可以去對下邊邊一個啱。咁佢話 country A 咧有 absolute advantage and comparative advantage in producing rubber。comparative advantage 一定有 absolute advantage，其實你要知道佢本身調開咗幾多 resources 去做嗰件事啦。country B 嘅營運數據啦。係佢沒有啦，咁所以咧呢度絕對係唔齊全嘅 information。到 boy 咧，佢就話 the gain from trade of exporting 1 unit of rubber is 1 unit of petroleum。咁你自己望下啦，頭先佢個 opportunity cost 咧1R 就等於0.5個 P，佢最後賣出去咧就1R 買1個 P，佢其實賺得0.5個 P，咁就唔係1P，咁所以 B 咧都係計算上面的錯誤。到 C 咧，亦都係㗎啦，計算上面的錯誤啦。opportunity cost of producing 1 rubber is 2/3嘅 petroleum。咁頭先已經講過啦，你呢度直接攞嚟對就得㗎啦。1R 係0.5，而不是佢出現嘅0.7，0.66，嗰度0.666。咁跟住然後再到個 term of trade 咧，亦都係1:1嚟。咁呢度唔知點解佢會玩到技術上嘅錯誤啊？可能有啲同學仔佢唔識計呢個嘅，佢會計到2/3啦。考評局一定計過俾你嘅，就線嗰堆錯嘅同學仔嘅啫。咁啊，線度攤攤腰。When your country A can benefit from trading from with country B，咁其實佢個 whose 咧，你自己小心啲英文啊。佢係講緊呢個 country B。佢話如果 country B 咧，佢本身係1P 等於1R 等於2P 嘅話咧，country A 可以賺佢錢嘅。咁正確啊，因為你 country A 本身係1R 等於0.5P 啫嘛。咁你佢自己要用2P 先做到嗰個 B，咁你可以起碼有1.5個 P 嘅空間去賺佢，咁就可以做到 mutually beneficial 啦咁樣嘅意思。好，咁嚟到呢個 session 嘅最尾一條45啦，咁相對簡單嘅一幅圖嘅 international trade。OK，佢依家咧係收個 tariff 嘅，所以佢原本由 P1 收到有 P1 再加 tariff 俾你。咁逐個睇咧，咁問你邊個 incorrect 嗱？呢條咧36人錯。OK，咁啊好咗少少嘅，但係都我覺得麻麻地嘅 performance 都係。The volume of 嗰個 import 咧。應該就係 Q3 減 Q2咯，因為你而家拉咗上去嘛，原本嘅 import 就係 Q4 減 Q1，OK，咁 Q3 減 Q2 啱，佢要 incorrect 啊。Domestic consumption Q3 嗱，你唔好撈亂咗 domestic production 啊，domestic production 就係 Q2，咁你 domestic consumption 就 Q3 原本 Q4，OK，咁呢個都係啱。The increase in the producer surplus of the domestic producer。咁原本嗰個producer 佢嗰個before tariff 嘅 producer surplus 都係記嗰個叫做 definition 啦，而 equilibrium price 減翻佢當其時嘅 MC，OK 每隻嘅 MC。咁依家咧其實佢得以重生，因為佢多咗 A 嘅呢一部分。OK， 多咗 A 嘅呢一部分，都係 equilibrium price 減當其時嘅 MC 咯。咁所以 increase A 咧亦都係啱咗。跟住然後到 total amount of tariff 係 in the sum of BCD 錯啦，因為 BCD 係原本 OK。sorry，BCD 唔係原本啊，噏錯咋。原本冇 tariff 嘅，因為你依家有 tariff 咧，你嘅 C，OK，就係個新嘅 tariff。BD 係一個 direct loss 嚟嘅，OK，咁所以答案就揀 D 啊。咁做晒成個2014啦。